Hi guys, it's Mrs. Lamena here again. If you missed today's lab, I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep it out over the entire weekend. What we did was a cabbage juice indicator lab. The other day I took some leaves of a red cabbage and boiled them up in some water. And you should get sort of a purpley blue juice out of it. Here's the problem. Ours is a little bit more blue than anything else, which indicates that it's actually a little bit basic. In Johnstown, the water is treated, and oftentimes it's treated with something like fluorine or chlorine in order to kill the germs, but it also winds up making the water, while still safe, a little bit basic. But if you see here, I have a rack of test tubes of all different kinds. This cabbage juice is going to change color based on the pH of what we're putting in it. So if it turns pink or even further into the red, then we have an acid. If it goes to a bright blue, a green, or a yellow, we're going into the base. So if I start with something like, say, soapy water. You notice I'm not seeing a color change here. This is going to indicate that it's pretty neutral. But let's say I take something like this baking soda. Well, now I'm starting to get something that's a little bit more green. What if instead I went for vinegar? Well, clearly we have a pink there, so we're going to have an acid. And then instead for, say, ammonia. And we're definitely going into green. And then I got some lemon juice right from the store. And we're back into the acids. And would you hand me the nail polish remover I left over there? Thanks. So our nail polish remover, which I haven't actually tested today, but I know a few people have, we're still staying with neutral because there's really not a color change there. If you put something that was a stronger base, like say lye or bleach, you're going to possibly get a nice bright yellow color. Now you can easily do this at home. The way that you make this indicator is just take some leaves off a red cabbage, tear them up, put them into a pot, put enough water to color it, and then cover it, and then boil. And then once it cools, you can start testing things around your house. All right, thanks.